and the analyzer package will be part of the issues analyzer skid and motion analyzer skid as well.
So this is isolated with the double isolation or single isolation, like the tie-in, that
The time
isolation.
with the time with the double, with the double block and bleed, IDBB is there. When the
Mhm.
configuration of that is also with the IDBB, which is based on the legend. Yeah.
Okay, and there were some recommendation. I remember we had a design review, right, some time back, and there are some
Uh,
recommendations. Are those recommendations are implemented into the design now?
yes, correct. Yes.
Okay, and we asked you to check the toxic gas detector for this analyzer, right? And any uh, open source of H2S. Now you're connecting the vent to the flare, huh?
Yes, it is connected to the player now.
And now entry into the train system. Is there any still open cold venting or open source of vent here from this skid on both of the skids?
It will become. It will be known later when the vendor will be allow us to give us the design.
But have you contacted any vendors preliminarily or not? Like
Yes, sir.
high level.
Yes. We contacted 3 vendors: Immersion, then Avest, then E&I,
Okay,
and
but
Kano Group also.
they might have given some kind of paint ready or drawings for
Yes,
this analyzer skids, right?
yes. They have given. Then we have asked design review comments also, so we can
Mm-hmm.
show you one schematic, sir. Some of them said that drain is not required, but some of them not yet responded. So just Aditya, if you can
No, no.
share that.
Mainly, my point is about the pressure reduction. So, how they are going
With
to reduce and what sort of PRV they are going to put, and
yeah. If you can, yeah, see. Yeah, Aditya, if you can. This one is by Kanu or
Yes,
E&I.
this is by the Canon.
Kanu, yeah. So the first one PRS mounted on the probe. If you see the first, that one is the PRS.
Pressure
Their
reducing.
pressure reduction skid. So after that sample line, that is going to the analyzer enclosure.
Uh,
From there, analyzer unit.
And this is last time we agreed, this is the probe will be, it is online retrievable.
Online. Yes.
Oh.
Online retractable. One of the vendor, the Avest informed they do not recommend online retractable because of